JB Moro, go and get your bag.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna be doing a quick little unboxing. My son, please don't mind my son, his show's in the back, but I already opened the package just because I got it. Like, we gonna have to turn something down, bubs. Okay. Even the Zion toy. So I think I got this package like maybe a week or 2 weeks ago. Don't remember when. Either way, I opened it up to see what it was because I was not expecting a package as normal. Not as crazy as it sounds. I'll be forgetting when I get packages coming to me as PR packages. So yeah, I opened it up already to see what it was, and I was like, okay, cool. All right, where it's from, I don't remember as well either. It's crazy. Okay, so it is from a company called Shay and Blue, and I definitely remember them. Like, there's supposed to be a bunch of scents. Oh, you don't like that when you can't hear it. We gotta turn something down, but we gotta figure it out. A bunch of scents. So this is what the inside of the packaging looks like. You can come back. Okay, sorry guys. Got a little distracted. As I was saying, forgot what I was saying, but so this is the packaging itself. This is what the inside of it looks like right here. They did add a lot of this that wasn't needed. Okay. So there is there's 5 scents in here. Again, all from the company Shay and Blue. I just want to make sure they're all 10. All right, we're gonna do it one at a time. So this green one here is, okay, cool. This one is called Melrose Apple Blossom, and they're all supposed to be like spray fragrances. So I'm gonna smell this one first. Ooh, about to break it. I need something. All right, whatever. I'm not gonna spray too much of this because he's literally right behind me. Okay. And I didn't pick out these scents too. These scents were like randomly picked and sent to me. So far this one smells really good. Like really like blossom. You can smell the flower fragrance as well. Oh no, let's put this back in here. At the end, I'm gonna tell you guys which one is my favorite. So this is the next one up. And this is Black Tulip. Are they all like flowers? I don't know. But because I still have this smell on me, I gotta spray this somewhere else. It's always best on skin. So you know what? Let's move this. Let's start spraying up here. I'm not feeling this one. This Black Tulip, I'm not feeling it. Whew, at all. Oh, sorry. So this is the next one. Wait, wrong way. This is the next one, and this is Blood Oranges. Oh God, I can't even get the smell of the last one out my nose. And that's eternal. All right, I'll go right here with this one. Wow, this strictly just smells like a bunch of oranges. Just if I feel like going outside smelling like citrus, this is the best way to go. Literally like somebody bodied me with oranges and just started throwing oranges at me. Next up is this one. This is, where is it? Lilacs and gooseberries. I've never heard of gooseberries. Ooh, I broke it. No, it's broken now. All right, so I'm gonna switch over to the next arm just because I sprayed this arm a little bit too much, the other arm too much, so. Oh, hold on. It's so strong. Once you get past that first spray of it being extremely strong, because it's extremely strong of a first spray, it doesn't smell bad. I don't smell the lilacs. I definitely smell the gooseberries more. But that's strong. Too strong. But it beats whatever the black tulip. So far in first place for my favorite smell that I probably will be wearing is the apple blossom, Melrose apple blossom. Last but not least, this is the last one. And this is, I just had the thing. Just had it. Literally just, okay. This is called Tonka Angelica. These smells are getting a little strong. No, this is not giving. Hi, baby. That's not giving. I thought nothing was gonna top the black tulips, but this smells like absolutely nothing. Hold on. It smells like something. Just can't put my finger on it, but it's nothing I would wear outside. That to be sure of. So this is my top favorite one right here. This is the Melrose Apple Blossom, right? Come on, focus, 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 focus on me, focus. Oh God, there we go, focus. So, yeah, Melrose Apple Blossom, this is the first favorite. This is gonna have to be the second favorite, which is the Lilacs and Gooseberries. Cause yeah, focus. This is the second favorite one. Alright, you have to tape the box close to that one. And literally right after that, I don't mind going outside smelling like a bunch of oranges at this point, but this is the next top favorite one. Blood oranges. Cool. And I'm not even gonna hold you. The black tulips is gonna have to come before this one. So the black tulips is fourth in line. Crazy to say. Fourth in line, and last is this one. Like, I can't get into whatever this is supposed to be, but those two gotta go. I might have to figure something out for these two scents because they're not for me, and I'm respectfully saying that they're not for me. These three right here are gonna be my go-tos. Hi, Papa. Hi, Papa. You come over here to watch your TV over here. Anyway, yeah, those are gonna be my top three that I probably wear on the consistent, regular basis. Don't know what I'm gonna do with those other two, but I'll figure it out. I'm 100% sure I know I have a discount code. Oh, my ring light just failed on me. 1 second. All right, we're back. So I need to let my ring light charge. It's clearly it's telling me relax with the content right now because I'm going a little ham today without content. What's it saying? Oh, it was saying, so I'm pretty sure I do have a discount code somewhere that I need to go back and look for it. And I will find it, and everything and all of that info will be in the description box below. I will just have separate links to all of these so that you guys don't have to go searching and digging for these links. They will be in the description box below. Not right away, but they will be in the description box below for you to just click, as well as my discount code if there's one provided, which it might be. So this was my quick little unboxing for you guys. I'm gonna get rid of all the stuff that I don't need, but yeah, this is your best bet to get. This is the Melrose Apple Blossom. This is the best one. But without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys do purchase one of these perfumes, one of these scents. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, family, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Take you farther than Mexico. Yeah, yeah. You still got niggas hard pressed to you though. I know you, shorty.